So this is the same with 2 integers and 37 over 1,000. So this is the same with 2, and I have 3 zeros, so the decimal point moves 3 spots to the right. I'm sorry, I meant to the left. So this is 2.037. Let's work on this. We want to combine like terms and simplify this expression. I am sending you the test that I gave last semester, and I would like you to open it, maybe today or maybe on Thursday, and let me know if you need help with anything. This is not going to be your test, it's an example. I'm looking for it. Fall of 2025, test 1. Please confirm that when you receive it. It's a Word file. Let me know if you can open it. I repeat, this is not your test. The test is next Tuesday. You will not be allowed to take the test if you do not complete all work. All work has to be completed with a minimum of 70%. And you should complete everything between now and Thursday. I send it to you, just confirm that you can open it. And look at it before Thursday and complete all work before Thursday. Several of you fell behind, scarily behind. It worries me. Okay, can anyone direct us here? What do we have to do here, please? Anyone, please?
Multiply -7 to x and 4.1.
Good. So first of all, it's -7 for x, but then the next one is positive. Remember how we multiply. 4.1 and 7. Decimal digit for 7 is here. They don't have to line up in a product. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 4 is 28. I count the decimal digits. I only have 1. So that's why the answer is 28.7. Then I distribute -1. And I distribute -1. Always deal with the variable first. 7.6 and 5.6 and 7. They are both negative. Nice. when I add 5.6, I have to line up to 7. I have to line up the decimal point. So that's why I get 12.6. So they're both negative, so negative 12.6x. This is easy. To 28 and 70 cents, I add 3 and I get 31.7. And this is final. Can anyone give us the degree of this polynomial? And then the leading term, and then the leading coefficient.
Degree is 1.
Yes, indeed, because that's the power of x. That's the largest power that you see here. Excellent. What about the leading term?
Negative 12.6x.
Excellent. What about the leading coefficient?
Isn't that 12.6? Negative 12.6?
Yes, perfect. Okay. This is the end of modules 1 and 2. All work is due before class with a 70% grade. I don't care for more. You can do more afterwards. But everything in Mod 1 and Mod 2, everything, absolutely everything, learn and practice absolutely everything, please, is due before class on Thursday. We're going to start reviewing now, and we'll continue reviewing on Thursday. Mark down all the questions you have in your homework, in the learn part, in the practice part, whatever you need, and bring them to class so we can get all finished between now and Thursday after class. If you did not register for the test, do it immediately. Please. Okay, we're going to talk more about the test on Thursday. Okay, so let's review with some questions. Were you able to open that file in Inbox? Does anyone have any difficulties opening that file? Anyone needs help to open that file? $13.4 minus the absolute value 1.7 minus 4.9 plus 0.9 plus 0.2, everything squared. Okay, we want to simplify these expression, this numerical expression to the fullest. So let's work on this for a minute, please. Do not schedule the test during the class time, please. We start module 3 next Tuesday, a week from today. Can anyone say anything about this problem? What is the starting point? What do you think about it?
You add 0.9 plus 0.2.
Correct. And I'm going to also perform this operation because they are not connected. They don't interfere with one another. Good. So here I have 13.4 minus. Now, I know that the negative 4.9 is stronger than 1.7, So I have 4.9 to subtract 1.7. When I subtract or add, remember the decimal digit has to, the decimal point has to, they have to end up, line up. So 7 subtracted from 9 is a 2, and 1 subtracted from 4 is a 3. So this is indeed negative 3.2 plus. When I add these, I get 1.1, and I square that. Perfect. Easy to square 1.1. Here's how I do it. 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 1 is 1. I get 121. Fine. How many decimal digits I have? 2. So I have to move the decimal digit from where it should be at the very end 2 spots to the left. So I copy 13.4. How much is the absolute value of negative 3.2?
3.2.
Yes, with minus in front is negative 3.2. I already calculated this as being 1.21. Like with integers, I recommend add these first and then subtract 3.2. Take it aside. 13.4, 1.21. The decimal point has to line up. Decimal points have to line up. You can, if you have any difficulties, you can add the 0. You're adding. So 1 and 6 and 4 and 1. And I copy the decimal point. So I have 14.61 minus 3.2. So for 14.61, I subtract 3.2. Remember, they have to line up the decimal point. 0 from 1 is 1, 2 from 6 is 4, 3 from 4 is 1 and 1. And I copy the decimal point, same spot. So 11.41. Okay, more practice. Any questions on this problem? Please, anybody? Okay, 3/5 times 12.8 minus 9.3. Let's work on this problem. So we have to perform the operations in parentheses. What do we get?
3.5.
3.5. This is what we're going to do next. We're going to change 3.5 into 35 over 10. Do we all agree with 35 over 10? There is only one decimal digit, so then I have to use 10. If I had 2 decimal digits, I have to use 100, and so on and so forth. Now I will simplify. I will not multiply and then get huge numbers and not to know what to do with them. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. 35 divided by 5 is 7. So then the answer is 21 over 10. Division by 10, multiplication by 10 are always easy. All I have to do is move the decimal point from behind 1 digit to the left, 1 digit over. And I get 2.1. Any questions on this problem? Any questions?
On the test, for these type of problems, would it say that we're converting it into a decimal?
Yes, yes, please read the fine print. Yes, yes, it will tell you exactly what to do. Okay, we have now an expression, 3.2 times 5.4 plus x, and then outside minus y. We are told evaluate for x equals negative 1.4 and y equals 5.8. Do not write the final answer in the chat because I will ask everybody to give me an answer. Take your time. Replace x by negative 1.4. Replace y by 5.8. And simplify. Can anyone tell us just the preliminaries? What do I have to write and then simplify? How do I write it?
Substitute the numbers for the letters?
Yes. So I have 3.2, 5.4. It's a plus here with minus. So I have to write negative 1.4 and then minus, and I copy 5.8. Perfect. That's the preliminary step. And now I have to simplify it.
Take care of the parentheses?
Yes. So then I have 3.2. This is easy. 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. So this is multiplied by 4 minus 5.8. Good. Very good. What next?
You multiply 3.2 times 4.
Yes. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 12.8. There is only one decimal digit. Minus 5.8. And this is nice. And the answer is?
7.
That's it. Okay, let's look at some equations now. 3 minus 0.5, quantity x plus 1 equals 5.3 minus 1.2x. I need everybody to give an answer for this equation, please. Do not write it in the chat.